Hey guys, welcome back to A Real Dope Mom. I'm here to show you guys how to grow sweet potato slips in this really quick and short video. So you need a cup, you'll need some water, and you'll need a sweet potato. You have to grow them this way because sweet potatoes do not grow like regular potatoes do. You can't just get the roots started and throw them in the ground. You have to do it by slips. So you take the sweet potato and you figure out which end is the top end. This is the top end and this is the bottom end, and you can tell because it's pointier and the roots are already starting. Well, the slips are already starting. And then you just go ahead and take your cup. You're going to fill it up with water. You only need enough water for it to touch the bottom of the sweet potato. Put the sweet potato in there, and that's all there is to it. Then you want to put this in like a windowsill or something like that, and just change the water every 3 to 4 days. I do it once a week because you don't want the water to get nasty. And that is literally all there is to it. So this is what you'll get in a couple weeks. Do not rush this plant. Do not rush these slips because they do take their time. Sweet potatoes are queen and they take their time. When I tell you, please listen to me because I don't want you guys to get frustrated. It was weeks before I saw a root. So what you want to do is just gently remove the slips. They come off super easy, as you can see. And you just plant them in the ground. It's a super easy process. It just takes a long time. Sweet potatoes are on their own time. I do want to let you guys know you see some dead slips there because I was experiencing some severe pelvic girdle pain and I could not walk at all, and I was stuck in the bed for about 3 weeks. So this got left outside because I planned on filming this video 3 weeks ago, and it dried out. Some of the plants survived, as you can see, and then it eventually rained and saved the day. So I'm thankful for the rain coming. But that's all there is to it. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And I will see you guys next time. I forgot to mention that once you pull off all the slips, you can go ahead and put that back in the water, and that sweet potato will grow more slips for you and probably a little faster.